would pick her out from the garden to be mine. Good day guys, Kevin again, and welcome to our channel. Shout out for all of my subscribers. Thank you very much guys for a continued increase in our number of views. We're close to 75,000 views. For first timers in our channel, after watching this video, please subscribe, click the like button, the thumbs up button, as well as the notification bell, so that you'll be notified in the next uploading of our video. Also, don't forget to leave your honest comment, and should you think that our video is worth sharing with your friends, kindly share. Today guys, I will show you my version in making my steamed rice cake, or Putong Bigas in Tagalog. Well, the rice is soaked overnight and then drained, and then with a little amount of cooked rice as well as the coconut water, I blended it until it is liquefied. And then after blending the mixture, I just let it fermented for 3 to 5 hours. 3 hours is okay, but for the best result, make it 5 hours. After 5 hours of fermenting, I continued making the rice cake. I added the remaining ingredients and then poured it into our mold and then steamed in high heat for about 10 to 12 minutes. But of course, halfway, I will have it open and add something on top of that rice cake or rice puto. And then when it's done, it is served with the freshly grated coconut. So guys, to start, the ingredients we need are 1.5 cup rice soaked overnight, then drained, 1/2 cup cooked rice, and 1.5 cup buco water with 1 cup pandan leaves chopped, that is blended. So the natural color of green is in our liquid. Okay, first we'll just have to put our buco water with pandan in the blender, and then we will add our rice. Then we'll start to blend it. For about 2 minutes blending, okay, here now is our mixture blended with the soaked rice overnight, drained, and cooked rice half cup, and then our buco water with pandan leaves. We just have to ferment this for at least, shortest is 3 hours, but the best is 5 hours. Okay, covered, and then we will just let it rest. We will ferment it, and then we will continue making our puto after 5 hours. Okay, to continue with our Buco Pandan rice puto or rice cake, we need this: 1/2 cup sugar, 2 tablespoons baking powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 2 teaspoons canola oil. After 5 hours of fermentation, we'll add our sugar, and then our baking powder, our vanilla, and our canola oil. Have to stir well to mix. After about 1 minute of stirring, okay, now our steamer is ready with boiling water, and then we'll just have to slowly pour our mixture into our prepared mold. And I'm using a medium-sized food-grade non-stick silicone mold. Okay, so just like that. Just pour it to almost full. Okay, so keep on pouring. Okay, and then afterwards we'll just have to cover it and steam it in high heat for about 10 to 12 minutes. Yes guys, 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, but halfway we'll have to open it. Just make sure that the cover is wrapped with cloth or towel to avoid the drippings of the moisture into the rice puto. After about 5 minutes, we'll open the cover, and then we'll be adding shredded buco on top of each puto, just like that. Okay, so and then we'll close it and continue cooking until it's done. Guys, our Buco Pandan steamed rice cake or Buco Pandan rice puto. So guys, I believe that I have shown you my version of preparing my steamed rice cake or putong bigas in Tagalog. First timers, this is now the time for you to subscribe, to click the thumbs up button, and then also click the notification bell just down there so that you'll be notified in the next uploading of our video. Don't forget to leave your honest comment based on what you have seen in the video. And also, should you think that this video is worth sharing with your friends, kindly share. So guys, thank you for watching. This is Chef Ben Casabon signing off. And may God bless us all.